Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to log out of the DeepSeek AI app. So if you've had enough of the DeepSeek AI and you want to log out of it, then let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up the DeepSeek AI app. Next, tap on these two lines at the top left. This will bring the side menu. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on this name here at the bottom left. Now from this menu, go ahead and find Logout, tap on it. And now to log out of this app, go ahead and tap on Logout, and that will log you out of this app. So logging out won't delete any data, and you can sign back into this account anytime. So there you go guys, that is how to log out of DeepSeek AI Assistant app. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.